Hi there and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up remarketing. As you can see, we're back in our Locksmith account, and to get started we're going to come down here to Shared Library and we're going to select Audience here. And as you'll see, under Audience we have Use Dynamic Ads with a little checkbox there, and we have Set up Remarketing. Now the checkbox here is if you are linked with Merchant Center. So if, for example, you have some kind of store and you've linked Merchant Center to Adwords, by checking this box you're going to be able to use dynamic ads to show ads to people based on the products or services that they've viewed on your website. So for example, if you have a wide range of clothing, if somebody's been looking at a certain item of clothing, if you have Merchant Center linked with your AdWords account, by checking this, Google's going to be able to remarket to those people with relevant ads to what they're actually looking at when they're on your website. So that's a little bit more advanced, and you would need to have Merchant Center linked to your account to do that. But for the purpose of this video, we won't bother selecting that, and we're just going to set up remarketing. Okay, and that will open this screen, and you can see next you'll need to add the remarketing tag to your website. The tag is a snippet of code that adds your website visitors to your remarketing list. Then you can show ads to these customers while they visit other sites. So what we can do here is we can send instructions by email. And again, if you have a developer who deals with this kind of stuff, you definitely want to be sending this across to him. So send it to him, tell him the email address that you want to reply to, which would be your email address. And if you want to leave a note down here for your developer, by all means do that. For those of you who want to add it yourself, we can just drop this down here and you can see the code here. It's very similar to a conversion tracking code. So all you would do here is copy this and perhaps add it into a text document and save it so you can add it yourself. If you look up here, this is going to want to go on every page of your website right before the body tag. So unlike the conversion script where we just added it on one page that we wanted to track for conversions, for the remarketing code you want it to be visible on every page. And what this means is it doesn't matter what page a person lands on, they're always going to be cookied with the remarketing. Okay, so it's quite simple to set up. Once you've done that, either save the code or send it to your developer, you can just click continue. And there you can see, finally, review your remarketing list. These lists group users based on their activity on your website or app. To get you started, we'll create some basic lists for you below. You can also create your own lists in the audience section of your shared library. Okay, so at the minute we have all visitors, and if we just click to return audience, we should be able to see that here now. And there you go, so all visitors. So basically what this means is the audience that we've created there when we've set up remarketing is for all visitors. So that means that all visitors who land on our site now will be added to remarketing. You can get a little bit more detailed with remarketing and create different rules so people can be added to different lists. And that is a little bit more advanced. For the purpose of this video and for the purpose of just getting remarketing up there, a list collecting all visitors is going to be just fine. So there you go, that's how you set up the audience for remarketing. In the next video I'm going to be showing you how to actually set up the campaign. So I will see you in the next video.